Hi, I'm Lisa Chmiola. I'm founder of Fablanthropy. We are a fundraising consulting firm. I've had the pleasure of working with Dr. Smita with Kinder Way Healing on a couple of occasions. I attended a workshop that she did for a professional association that I'm involved with. It was a workshop on self-care techniques as we were approaching the end of the year, and it also featured a short guided meditation. It was really just such a wonderful and refreshing message. People that work in fundraising and nonprofits often put everyone else ahead of themselves and forget that if they don't take care of themselves, that they can't serve others well. So it was a good opportunity for me and my colleagues to reflect and reset and take that message into the new year. Her message was so inspiring that I went ahead and booked her for a virtual workshop for our clients and colleagues. And we did that at the beginning of the year. And again, just another wonderful reminder of how we can take away some actionable steps. She gave some actual examples of how we could implement self-care techniques throughout our day, throughout our week, our month, our year. And then she did also lead a short guided meditation. Not only did the attendees of that workshop experience it, but she provided it for us to share with our colleagues and friends via email and our social media channels. And so it allowed us an opportunity to really step back when we're often sharing messages about our own organization or how our colleagues can do well fundraising in their organizations. It was nice to be able to offer something that focused on our clients as people and really allowed them to take a moment for themselves and let them know that that's something they really should be doing. So I would definitely recommend Dr. Smita and Kinder Way Healing. They do a wonderful job of working with you to develop a workshop that will meet the needs of your organization. Very easy to work with, highly professional, and I would absolutely work with her again. Thank you.